Hey guys, it's time for a gaming comparison between the iPhone X versus the mighty Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So I've carefully selected these 6 games to play on both of these two phones to test out the maximum performance and see which one is the ultimate smooth gaming phone for all those smartphone gamers out there. So before I launch the first game, I've been getting a lot of questions about the giveaway, so the winner will be announced on 4th April 2018. If you guys don't know already, I am giving away a Samsung Galaxy S9. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, that's where I'm most active, and follow me on Twitter, that's where I'll be announcing the winner, and lastly, leave a comment below. With that being said, let's get right into the first game, which is going to be Taken. So I recently downloaded this game. It's free for both iOS and Android. It has a really good console quality graphics, so let's see. Let's play a quick fight on both phones. So first we're going to play it on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay. Wow. Really smooth performance. You can see all the effects and everything. Seems like it is optimized for the Exynos 9810 processor. Oops, missed that. There we go. Let's check it out on the iPhone. Okay. I have no health, but you can see the graphics are really good on the iPhone X as well. Looking pretty smooth. Obviously, with iOS, you have the awesome optimization. That's why it's looking pretty good. But the S9 Plus is also similar to the iPhone X. No lag whatsoever with this new Taken game. And obviously with S9 Plus you have this big beautiful display. iPhone has a 5.8-inch screen, but it's not really wide, so you don't get that experience. Hopefully with the iPhone X Plus this year, gaming experience will be much better. So there we go. Now next up is Riptide GP, one of my favorite games, and it's optimized for the iPhone X. Let's go ahead and dive into the graphics. It's one of the few games that actually allows you to change graphics even on iOS. So let's continue. As you can see, we have everything maxed out on the Galaxy S9 Plus. It's set on Ultra with resolution set all the way to max. So we're going to do the same on the iPhone. So I'm going to set the resolution all the way to max, and the graphics are on Ultra. And you can see we have a 60 Hz option on the iPhone X, which we don't get on the S9 Plus. So a little bit of difference there. All right. Right from this loading screen, I can tell that iPhone is definitely running it on a constant 60 frames per second. The S9 Plus a little bit less than 60. Let's just skip this. All right. And let's see side by side, because it has this auto acceleration. So you can definitely see that the iPhone X is looking so overpowered. The Galaxy is definitely smooth, but it's not 60 frames per second like on the iPhone. So alright, next up we have Asphalt 8 game. And right from the menus you can see that how smooth it runs on the iPhone. If I'm just going to show you guys here real quick. Look at that smoothness. Even in the menus you can see iPhone is the better one. So let's see how it's going to go in the actual stage. So we're going to play the classic stage of Asphalt 8. And let's go. The Galaxy definitely takes a loading, so we're going to play at the same time on both phones. Obviously, this game does have auto acceleration, so we can do this. And I don't know if you can tell through camera, but iPhone is definitely at 60 frames per second. S9 Plus, again, it is smooth, but not quite 60 FPS. Definitely they should do some optimization. I think it's the processor Exynos 9810 is more than enough to run this game at 60 frames per second. It just needs the optimization from the developers. So, alright, let's play one by one. So, S9 Plus. Again, smooth. It's running around like 40 something FPS. I actually checked the graphics and set everything to max so that we have full performance. Now let's quickly check out on the iPhone 10. And my god, what a smooth performance. Like if you have an iPhone 10, or if you get the chance to check out iPhone 10, then do download the Asphalt 8 game. You will see that it is optimized on this phone so much that it is insane. It looks unrealistically smooth, and not a single frame drop. It's perfectly optimized. And soon Gameloft will launch Asphalt 9, and we are done with the stage almost. Yup. Fourth and third on the Galaxy. I wasn't even playing, but yeah, moving on. Alright, next up we have a game called as Bully, which was originally launched for PlayStation 2, I believe. So this is one of my favorite Rockstar games. Finally now available for mobile devices, Android and iOS. So let's see which one is going to run this game smooth. And this is not optimized for the iPhone 10, as you can see the black bars, which sucks. I mean, it really, makes the gaming experience bad. You're not having that full screen experience. So I don't think Rockstar will ever optimize the game because they're really lazy with the updates. I mean, GTA San Andreas, all those GTA games are non-optimized on the iPhone. There's actually a CDA tweak that allows you to go full screen, but jailbreaking is really risky, Phones are super smooth with the animations and everything, but obviously it looks incredibly great on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus because obviously you're gonna have a lot of controls, so it's gonna be more easy to play on a bigger display. Best thing about the S9 Plus is that even if these games are not optimized, you can do that full screen stretch that software allows you to do. So no problem. I mean, pretty much you can play any game with full screen ratio. So first we're going to play on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and you can see looks pretty incredible. And notice the sky on both phones. On the S9 Plus, it definitely looks more blue, while on the iPhone it's like white. And that is a small difference, maybe with the display quality, I don't know. But it looks like they are running at pretty high quality. If we actually check the graphics on both phones, we have a shadows option on the iPhone, which we don't get on Android. There's one clarity thing, which I've set to high on both phones. But yeah, pretty much they both look pretty high quality with the graphics, if you look at the floor and everything. So let's move ahead with the iPhone. You can see pretty smooth performance. Let's do a quick fight with a kid. Let's speed up. Okay, that's a girl. We're gonna beat up him. Let's see. No, that's actually the headmaster. I can't do that. Oh. Got caught. Let's see. So yeah, pretty smooth performance on both phones, but Samsung just runs this game so much better thanks to this full screen ratio. On the iPhone, it's just not an enjoyable experience. Next up, we got Gangster New Orleans, one of the most high-end graphical games we have, kind of like GTA, and it's optimized for the iPhone 10. You can see fully taking up that space around the notch. Let's see which one is going to be better in this. And it's a free game you can download on both of these two phones. Let's move around. Oh, okay. Little bit choppiness on the iPhone 10 in the start, but now it is smooth. Yeah, definitely now it's running smooth. But that was a slight lag in the start. Let's just quickly grab a car. Okay, trying it out on the iPhone. So, oh my god, definitely not a very smooth experience, and you can see that the display brightness is not looking very bright, even though I've set the brightness all the way to the max. The iPhone is definitely, you can see the iPhone is definitely heating up. That's why it is taking the brightness down automatically. But yeah, the gameplay looks smooth now. Just a slight lag sometimes. Now let's check it out on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and wow, this phone feels a lot cooler than the iPhone. Okay, I'm just gonna get this car, and you can see really awesome performance, incredible smoothness, no issues whatsoever. And the best part is that it's having a bigger screen so that I am, controlling with ease. These buttons, on-screen buttons, can be a bit hard to control on a smaller display. So, and the Galaxy is not heating up, which is awesome. And now time for the final game, which is the Marvel Champions. Another really great fighting game. Trying out on both phones. Let's try it out first on the iPhone 10. So let's see, we can dodge. And let's see the fight graphics. You can see I'm kicking the Iron Man right in the face. Whoa, KO. Let's play another stage. Alright, Iron Man versus the Hulk. And let's try it out on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Whoa. Smooth AF. Pretty awesome performance, just like the iPhone. Feels super optimized. Let's play another match against Black Panther, the Batman lookalike. So pretty awesome performance with the Marvel Champions on both of these two phones. So yeah guys, that was the full gaming comparison between the iPhone 10 and the Galaxy S9 Plus, and I gotta say S9 Plus is a little bit more enjoyable with the games because of its full screen display. And the best part is, even if you download the old games such as GTA San Andreas or even the old GTA Vice City, I'm pretty sure it will work full screen thanks to the software, forcing it to work. Stretching the game and taking the full advantage of this infinity display. While on the iPhone, you have to wait for the developers, otherwise you can't do anything, just have these black bars, and it's really not that much of a enjoyable experience. Although the games that are optimized, they run pretty smooth, especially games like Asphalt 8 and Riptide GP. These games, they really take advantage of the Apple 11 processor, and we have 60 Hz of performance. There are a lot of high graphical games optimized optimized for the iPhone 10, but older titles will probably not get optimized in the near future. You know, Rockstar, they're pretty lazy. But yeah, Asphalt 9 will be here, and we'll do a comparison then when it will get released on both platforms. Let me know who you think is the better gaming device, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.